Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Ledger wallets. Is a Ledger wallet safe? Let's explore that based on my usage experience. Ledger is a world-renowned brand of hardware wallets, engineered to offer top-tier security for your cryptocurrency holdings. Unlike hot wallets, Ledger, as a hardware wallet, stores your private keys offline, drastically minimizing the vulnerability to hacking. The device utilizes a secure element chip, the same technology employed in passports and credit cards, providing robust protection for your digital assets. Popular models like the Nano S Plus and Nano X, along with other Ledger wallets, support over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens. They integrate seamlessly with Ledger Live, a user-friendly application for managing assets, staking crypto, and interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. The Nano X even boasts Bluetooth connectivity, allowing mobile usage without sacrificing security. Ledger continually updates its wallet firmware to patch vulnerabilities and improve features. Independent security audits further bolster user trust in Ledger. The inclusion of passphrase functionality enables the creation of hidden wallets for enhanced privacy. It's crucial, however, to acknowledge the 2020 Ledger data breach, which exposed customer information like email addresses. While this incident did not compromise wallet security or private keys, it emphasized the critical importance of vigilance against phishing scams. To avoid counterfeit products, purchase Ledger devices exclusively from the official website. Ledger wallets are an excellent choice for anyone prioritizing the security of their cryptocurrency, whether you're a long-term investor or an active trader. They are especially beneficial for those holding substantial amounts of crypto requiring robust offline storage. Both beginners and seasoned users will find setup and operation straightforward, thanks to Ledger's comprehensive tutorials and guides. In summary, Ledger wallets are among the safest options available for cryptocurrency storage, effectively balancing offline security with user-friendliness. While no system is entirely invulnerable, Ledger's proven track record, advanced features, and widespread community trust make it a leading choice for protecting your digital assets. Check out the links in the description to learn more or acquire a Ledger wallet today.